What's up, guys? My name's Jake, and I have the Chase Sapphire Reserve here in my left hand and the microphone in my right hand because I don't like when it tugs on my neck. But that's all right because I got the Chase Sapphire Reserve, and I'm so happy to tell you all about how much it's delivering excellent value to me. All right, so first of all, guys, that $550 annual fee, it's kind of annoying. But there's a $300 travel credit that's very convenient. So for me, I'm able to use this travel credit on things like the MTA trains, the Long Island Railroad, also like New Jersey Transit every time I go to Newark. I think this is pretty convenient, and it actually helps me get rid of that $300 travel credit pretty quickly. In fact, I'm already at like $180 through it in the last 2 months, and I got the card 2 months ago. So that's pretty nice. So now my annual fee will be like $250, but I have something really special to tell you because I have the Lyft Pink membership. You may ask, what is that and what's the point? Well, guys, I have no car. I have to get around by bicycle. I know it's a little bit of a specific niche use case here, but for me personally, I get so much value from the Lyft Pink membership because I'm able to use the city bikes in New York City to get around. I was actually considering buying an e-scooter, but then Amazon sent me this when I ordered one for some reason. So I had to return it. And then I just realized I should just get the city bike membership. But I didn't want to pay for it, so I ended up finding how to get it for free, and the Chase Sapphire Reserve was the way to do it. So I got that membership for free with the Chase Sapphire Reserve, and that lowered my effective annual fee to just $51. So the reason I really wanted this card, besides just getting the Lyft Pink membership, was to get the 1.5 cent per point redemption, aka the 50% boost. So hear me out, guys. I understand transfer partners, they're the best thing in the world, right? That's the whole point of the game. Well, personally, I've been using some transfer partners to get domestic US flights, right? I've been trying to figure out how to go coast to coast for free with transfer partners. And it's kind of hard, guys. It's really difficult. And it's not only is it hard, which I don't think you should just settle at it being difficult. It's just not available. Sometimes there's no available flights, or the cent per point value for these flights is below 1 or some other terrible cent per point. And I'm talking about using like membership rewards points with British Airway Avios to book American flights, or like Capital One miles to book United flights using Turkish. It's kind of a weird way to do it, but this is how you can do domestic US redemptions when there's no direct transfer partner for the US. It's kind of a weird way to do it, but that's how I figured it out. So since this is such a high barrier of entry, and it's honestly lacking award availability anyway, I needed another card to find a way to get like some sort of 1.5 cent per point redemption for US domestic flights. And this is where the Chase Sapphire Reserve comes into play. Every single thing you redeem through the Chase portal is going to be 1.5 cents per point, which is just fantastic for redeeming economy US domestic flights. Now, instead of trying to fiddle with transfer partners and getting stressed out trying to book it on the phone or something like that, I can just book it in the Chase portal. It's pretty easy, and I've already done it twice. Don't worry though, I'm still going to use transfer partners when I'm going to Europe or something like that. I just want to figure out a way to get around the US, if that makes sense. There are some more credits on the Chase Sapphire Reserve, like the Instacart Plus membership. I think this is interesting. Well, honestly, it's not that interesting. I just like to go to Trader Joe's, guys. I mean, how many credits do we need? But honestly, I guess I have it, so I signed up anyway. And now I have free Peacock, apparently, because that comes with Instacart Plus. I also get a $15 monthly credit with Instacart Plus, but I'm not going to use it. And I also get DoorDash Dash Pass, which I'm not going to use that either. I also get a $5 credit with that. None of that is really worth it to me. I have Grubhub Plus already, and I use Uber Eats all the time with my Amex card. I also wanted another Visa Infinite card because I may or may not be phasing another card out of my setup. I got to figure that out. And so I want to have a card with good protections that's not an Amex card, and I also wanted something with really good travel protection. This card also has primary CDW, which is going to help my strategy out in case I need to rent a rental car. Which I have never done. I just bike. Also, the card comes with a really good priority pass. I don't know if you guys know this, but sometimes priority pass can be not that good. Some cards have limited access. Maybe you can only go 8 times per year, or maybe they don't include priority pass restaurants and spas. In this case, this card includes all of it. You can go unlimited times and bring 2 guests as many times as you want per visit, and This card includes Priority Pass restaurants. Guys, this is the biggest part for me. I've been trying to find lounges in some airports, and it can just literally be a lounge desert. Like sometimes, like Chicago O'Hare is so bad. Same with Chicago Midway. There's nothing there, and I really had a tough time finding anything in there. I don't know if there's Priority Pass restaurants there, but having that option now is actually so nice. Any restaurants that are part of Priority Pass restaurants get a $28 dining credit. So you can go in there, order $28 worth of food, and it's going to be free. And you can do this a couple times. So guys, I just wanted to share my experience with the I just wanted to share my experience with the Chase Sapphire Preferred because it's been actually so fire. I'm not gonna lie. I really like this card. This is a solid keeper card for my use case. As long as Lyft is a credit on the Chase Sapphire Reserve, this card makes a ton of sense for me. Even with a $51 effective annual fee, I really value this card so highly because it has the 1.5 cent per point redemption. I'm definitely going to have no more headache with trying to redeem US domestic economy flights since I'll automatically get 1.5 cents per point. Plus, I'm actually really excited to try Priority Pass to restaurants and spas. I kind of want to try a spa. I think that'd be so sick. So guys, that's all I got for today. If you do want to check out the link in the description, I would highly appreciate it. As you know, that supports this channel, and I thank you for using it. And if you do want to subscribe for more content, I'm going to work on, making some more videos for you guys. So that's pretty much all I got for today, guys. I hope you all have a good day. Take it easy. Bye.